The mihi animas chataratole. Give me souls, take away the rest. Father John po, SDB. We are now in the 26th Sunday in Ordinary Time. And the message of our liturgy for today is a reminder of the great mission of Christ. And that is to bring communion in this world, not division. No? Kung kaya nga po, ito po yung ating maririnig sa ating unang pagbasa, sa ating Ebanghelyo, at sa ating pangalawang pagbasa. We are being reminded of the things that separate us from God. And if we are able to define those things that separate us from one another, the command of the Lord is, cut it off. Putulin mo na ang connection mo sa mga bagay-bagay that separate you to your brothers and sisters, even to God. No, in our first reading, yun po yung pinapakita, no, jealousy. No, bakit sila, they were able to prophesy, they are not members of our group. And they were telling it to Moses. And Moses corrected them. They're not doing something bad. And if God wishes to give them that grace, let it be. Because all of us, lahat tayo, tinatawag ng Diyos to proclaim the good news. We are not, hindi lang tayo, but everybody. So Moses is correcting them. Yahweh is correcting them about these things. That we are all equal in the eyes of God. And we are all given duties and responsibility to fulfill. No? So there is no reason for us to be jealous. Because jealousy, it starts off separating ourselves and judging our brothers and sisters. And there will be division. In our second reading, ang focus naman dito, what can separate us to one another? It may be material things. No, mas importante na sa atin ang mga makamundong bagay, forgetting the most important reality in our life. The people around us, even our relationship with the Lord. And if we realize this, na mas focus sa atin ang mga makamundong bagay, na nakakalimutan na natin ang ating responsibilidad sa ating kapwa. The Lord is reminding us, be careful. Separate yourself from the things that separate you with the most important things in life. To your loved ones, to the people around you, to your friends, to your God. Baka masyado ka ng focus sa mga makabundong bagay. And the Lord is telling you, cut it off. And this is the message of our gospel for today. Taken from the Gospel of Mark chapter 9. Verse 38 to 48. Pinapakita po dito. No? Yung mga apostol, Lord, they are a group proclaiming you to other people, but they are not part of our group. Parang sa first reading. And the Lord said, do not stop them. No? Anyone, no, sinabi niya, whoever is not against us is for us. Pero mas i-focus niyo yung mga dapat ninyong tanggalin sa buhay ninyo that make you like that you become so negative that you want division, that you want to become special. In the first reading, we were already corrected. No, everybody is called and loved by God. Ang importante is to go deeper to yourself. Ikaw, kamusta na ba ang iyong connection sa Diyos, sa iyong kapwa? No, ikaw ba'y nagiging dahilan, no, for others also to commit sin and be separated to God? Ikaw ba yung nagiging dahilan ng skandalo? Ikaw ba yung nagiging dahilan ng division? Kung kaya nga sinasabi ng Panginoon, sinabi niya, whoever causes one of these little ones who believe in me to sin, it will be better for you if a great millstone were put around your neck and you were thrown into the sea. No, sinasabi dito, if you are the cause of the sins of others, you will be punished. That's why the Lord is telling. Is there anything in you that cause others to sin and also cause you to sin? Cut it off. Tigilan mo na. No? Tigilan mo na yung mga bagay-bagay that brings sin in your life and in the life of others. Huwag kang maging dahilan ng pagkakasala ng iyong kapwa. Huwag kang maging dahilan upang makamtan mo ang mga maling bagay sa mundong ito. So the Lord is challenging us, moving us, pushing us. Really, go deeper to your heart. Ano yung mga bagay-bagay that causes me to sin? And make a decision to cut it off. Ano yung mga bagay-bagay that causes division to my relationships? No, sa aking pakikisama. Ano yung mga dapat kong i-improve sa sarili ko? The Lord is challenging us in this moment because we should be symbol of communion, not division. And that is the thing that the Lord is encouraging us. Search sa iyong puso something that should be removed in you so that you will be symbol of unity, communion. So my dear friends, the challenge of the Lord is putulin mo na ang mga bagay-bagay na nagiging dahilan ng iyong pagkakasala upang ikay mapalayo sa pag-ibig ng Diyos. Tigilan mo na, iwan mo na, putulin mo na ang mga bagay-bagay na ginagawa mo na nakasisira sa relasyon sa iyong kapwa, so that we will be together, be a symbol of God's love, compassion, care that brings communion in this world. So once again, my dear friends, God bless us all.